In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Shopee as a seller in just 5 minutes. If you've been thinking of expanding your business online or starting a new venture on one of Southeast Asia's biggest e-commerce platforms, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your seller account up and running on Shopee. First and foremost, let's navigate to the Shopee Philippines website. You can easily find it by searching for Shopee Philippines Shop Online with promos and vouchers online. This website is your gateway to join the bustling marketplace as a seller. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, you'll notice there are several options to proceed with. To simplify the process, click on the Google button. This option allows you to sign up using your existing Google account, making the process seamless and quick. Now it's time to locate the Seller Center, which you'll find at the top left corner of the page. Clicking on the Seller Center will redirect you to the section of the website specifically designed for sellers like you. Once you're in the Seller Center, you'll see an inviting button titled Start Registration. Go ahead and click on it. This is the first step in officially initiating your journey as a Shopee seller. Next, you'll be asked to provide some essential information about yourself and your business. This includes your address, email, and phone number. Make sure the information you provide here is accurate and up to date, as it will be crucial for your shop's verification process and future communications. After filling in your details, click on the Next button. You might feel a little anticipation at this point, and rightly so, you're almost there. Now, the final step requires you to provide more detailed business information. Fill out the form with attentiveness and ensure every piece of information showcases your business in the best light. Once completed, submit your application. Here's a little tip. Make sure your business details are clear and concise. This not only makes the verification process smoother, but also builds trust with your future customers. After submitting, all you need to do is wait for your account to be approved. Shopee will review your application, and upon approval, you will officially be part of the Shopee seller community. Remember, patience is key. Approval times can vary, so give it a little time. Once approved, you'll have access to all the seller tools on Shopee, and you can start listing your products and reaching out to customers. And that's it. You've successfully registered as a seller on Shopee. Now the exciting part begins. Growing your business and connecting with customers across Southeast Asia. Embrace this new journey, and here's to your success on Shopee. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with fellow business owners looking to venture into online sales. Happy selling,